Hello children, welcome to video lecture classes. This is Kameshwari. In the last video, I explained you the different types of crops of the world. In this video, we will discuss what is the importance of agricultural development. What is the importance of agriculture? Agriculture is very important for our survival. Most of the people's main occupation is agriculture. Our India is one of the agricultural country in the world. Mostly 70% of people are depending upon this agriculture. All the agriculturalists are so many. Some are nowadays, some people are educated, some people are illiterate people. They did not know what were the programs introduced by the government, which time is suitable for spraying the fertilizers and pesticides. In my opinion, they did not know so many points. That's why your India is developing country in the agricultural field also. Okay. Agricultural development refers to the effort made to the increase farm in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. Population is increasing day by day. What should we do? We are also product lot of food items for people. This can be achieved in many ways. What are those ways? Now let us discuss. Increasing the cropped area. How should you increase the cropped area? Okay, barren lands are there. You change those barren lands to the cropped area, cultivated area. Okay, next one is the number of crops grown. The number of crops are grown by the farmers per year. And improving irrigation facilities. Improving your irrigation facilities. In the olden days, people all are using the olden methods of farming. Nowadays, the farmers changed. They improved a lot. Okay, they are using the vehicles, tractors, and so many machines in their agriculture, and use of fertilizers and high yielding variety of seeds. Use the fertilizers and pesticides and high yielding variety of seeds. HYV. It is one of the abbreviation. HYV means high yielding variety of crops. And next one is mechanization of agriculture is also another aspect of the agricultural development. Using machines in their farming, that is called the mechanization of agriculture, is also another aspect of agricultural development. The ultimate aim of agricultural development is to increase the food security. What is the aim of this agricultural development? Is increase the production of food items. Developing countries with large populations usually practice intensive agriculture. Developing countries. What are the developing countries? Our India is called the one of the developing country in the world. Okay, these developing country people are following the intensive agriculture. Already I explained you what is the intensive agriculture. In this type of agriculture, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. He used in this type of agriculture. Indian farmers are followed olden methods and simple tools, and small, they are divided their total land into um, small, not a simple, small plots, small plot of lands, that is called the intensive agriculture. Okay, larger holdings are more suitable for commercial agriculture. Larger holdings, larger plots are more suitable for commercial agriculture. Agriculture has developed at different places in different parts of the world. All the people are not followed the same type of agricultural methods. One country has followed their own methods and technology. Suppose the developing countries are using the heavy machinery, they know all the things about their agriculture. Like our Indian people are following the olden methods. And which countries have the large populations, those people followed the intensive agriculture. Intensive agriculture, what is that? Crops are grown in small holdings, subsistence farming. Larger holdings are more suitable for commercial agriculture. You are wasting our Indian agriculture people, they are wasting some of the land uh, in the form of bunds, and divide the two or three groups like that. In USA, Canada, Australia, these countries has followed the commercial farming. With the help of two case, here in our textbook, two case studies are given. I will explain you now. Listen that. You are also read that, and you compare what are the differences and what are the similarities between the two countries. In your textbook, a farm in India and a farm in USA, what are the methods were followed by our Indians, and what are the methods are followed by the Americans? These two are given in this case study. Now listen this carefully. In India, Indian people are followed the small plots of land, and their main crops are wheat and rice and pulses. Indians, he takes his own tractor on rent and plowing his field. They are using the traditional methods also, using the bullocks for plowing like that. And there is a tube wells. Nowadays also they are using the tube wells also. All the farmers farming their land, along with that they rearing animals also, like buffaloes and hens. All the members of the family do more and more work in their fields, in the various activities, in the time of plowing, weeding, harvesting, threshing, whatever may be. In these all activities, all the family members actively participated in those activities. In recent years, the government has taken some steps to develop the storage facilities, and they provide good price for those crops. But those are the conditions of in our farmer, Indian farmer. Now we come to the America. In America, much they followed the modern methods of farming. They are using high yielding variety of seeds, and those people larger holdings are used by them. Larger holdings are used by those people. Their main crops are corn, soybean, wheat, cotton, and sugar beet. These are the main crops are grown in those lands. Why did they grow these crops? These all are commercial crops. Soybean, wheat, cotton, and these are all the commercial crops. And testing laboratories also available for them. Testing laboratories also available for them, and the satellites gives him a which time is suitable for them practice practice those are all agricultural fields. These are all things, these are all helps him to use chemical fertilizers and pesticides also. He uses those people, the USA people, farmer uses tractors, seed drills, levelers, and harvesters, threshers to platform various agricultural operations. Some of the instruments, machines not available for our Indian farmers. Grains are stored in the automated grain storage or dispatched to market agencies. The farmer in USA works like a businessman. Here in USA, farmers works like a businessman and not like a peasant farmer. In our Indian farmers work like a laborer. He works like a normal farmer. That's why your Indian farmers are facing so many problems. Okay, children, have you understood in this lesson? Okay, read this lesson at least 2 or 3 times. If you have any doubts, ask me individually. With this, I completed this lesson. In the next video, I will start the next lesson. Thank you. Bye.